morning, ma'am. This is Lalita. Our topic is image comparison on basis of color and dimensions. Today, I am going to explain image comparison on basis of dimensions. As we know, in this world, if you want to measure any object, we need a certain terminology, which is known as length and breadth for 2D objects, length, breadth, and height for 3D objects. Today, I am going to talk about only the 2D objects. First, we will initially scan an object by using scan function. As we know, the computer only takes the binary values. We'll just convert into binary values by taking this all the inputs into the BGM, into the grayscale by using BGM function. After that, we'll just convert into the binary values. After that, we'll just blur the image in order to understand what is there in between the objects. Next, we'll use CANOP algorithm in order to reduce the spaces and the noises in between the object by using delight and aeroid. Next, we'll use a we'll use a find counter as a function. First, we'll apply for only the one particular space of an object. After that, we'll just apply the complete spaces for the object. After that, we'll just find the area of that of the particular object. Before that, we need to find the midpoint of that object by using Euclidean distance. After that, we'll just find a box plot in order to better understanding what is the actual dimensions of actual length and breadth measurement of that object. We'll just keep this reference objects as a left side. After that, we'll just take another object. We'll just do the same thing what we have done initially for the reference object. We'll just do the same thing for the sample object. We'll just calculate all the things. We'll just calculate all the measurements and we'll just keep right side. After that, we'll just calculate is this the length and breadth for the both objects same or not, and we will display the output. For this, we will use a function in a IMShow. At last, it will display as if these both objects are same in length and breadth wise, it will show as same. If they are not, it will show no. By using this, the complete code will get an output whether they are equal or not. By using this, we can easily compare one object with another object. This can be useful mainly in digital image processing. Thank you.